Everybody knows there's certain things that dogs don't like. These gloves are one of them. Come here. Down in bed. Oh, jump up on me. Putting on the gloves. What are you going to do? Pop. Ow! I've got the gloves on. Ow! Let go of my thumb. Let go of my thumb. Get the gloves. Ah! That was my finger, you know. Hey, doggies. Hey, doggies. Take that. Take. Ah! No.
Okay, sorry.
Ow! Let go of it. Let go of it. I said let go of my finger. Ow! Come on, guys. No. Ow! Okay, ow, ow, ow. Calm down, Emily. Ow, ow, about. Ah. Ow. Ah. Oh, shit. Ow. Em. Don't tear a hole in us. Let go. I'll start punching you. This area like that. Ow. You don't like that. Ow. Damn. Ow. Oh, damn. Ow, got your finger. We'll punch you now. Ow. Ow. Hollow. That's it. Ah. Ah. There you. What? Oh, come here. Again. Yeah, you're real hurt, aren't you? Ow, ow, ow. Let go. Let go. Let go. Ah. Come and get it. Ah. Go get your little snout away from this. Help me! Give me that. Give me the glove. Give me the glove. Give me the glove. Give me the glove. Ah! Seriously, stop. It ain't funny anymore. Give me that. Ah, quit! I said, give me it. Stop! Ow! Give me it. Stop! You're not getting it. Ow! Oh, damn, look at these scratches on my arm. Look at that. Look at this. They're like wild animals. Give me the glove. No. If you tear a hole in these, I'm going to kill you. You ain't getting it. My glove. My glove. And I ain't stupid enough to put it in my pocket because I know you'll go after it. My glove. Ow! You little dirty, rotten. My glove. More glove. My glove. My glove. More glove. Piece of crap. It's my glove. You can't get it. My glove. Ah! Look at this. Look at them. What they've done to me. Hi, Docker. You want the glove too? Hi, Docker. Dr. Seuss the kitty. Yeah. Ha! You what you got your nose in the camera for? Nobody can see you like that. My glove. Hey, go get it. Go get it. Dumbasses. Hey, look. This time I really throw it. Look. I promise. Here we go. Hey, get off the camera cord. Look. Ah. Ow! Get off me! Ah! They got the other glove! I'm gonna kill you! Mr. Wild. Well, here they go. Running back and forth. Ugh. Alright, let go of it. I'm done with the glove play. Get off the gloves. Get off the freaking glove, Roscoe. Seriously. You don't go on the chain. Hey, don't bite the camera. Give me the... God damn, I made this as a joke. They're seriously killing me. Let's see if this glove has any holes in it. No. Don't jump on me. I don't see none. Let's put it on and see if it works. Stop it. Emily, stop. Oh, damn. Aw, man, you did put a hole in it. I don't know if the camera picks up on that, but it's right there. I should just beat you in the head with it, but then you'll want to chew on it some more. Okay, the gloves are going bye-bye. Hey! Not in your mouth. Come on, Emily. Don't you jump on me now. Come on. Come on, Roscoe. Why don't we play Elbow Drop the Doggy? Ah, don't... Emily, bite the camera one more time. I'm going to put you on the chain, and when your dogs are born, I'm going to put them on the chain too. Ow! Say goodbye, everybody. Say bye. Emily. Roscoe. I can't chew the camera. How else am I going to entertain myself? Say bye. Come here, Emily. Give me kisses. Ah! Roscoe just jumped on my stomach. Emily, give me kisses. Aw. Here, let's wave bye. Bye.